benefited from that. So students, the problem is that top view is a triangle ABC. Okay, so AB is 50 mm long, angle CAB is 30 degree, and there is a typing mistake. This is the angle CAB, that is 30 degree, and angle CBA, that is 65 degree. Okay, the consideration is this I correct, that is the degree here. Okay, so okay, just forget it that. Okay, so A dash B dash C dash is a front view. A dash is 25 mm, B dash is 40 mm, and C dash is 10 mm above the horizontal plane respectively. Draw the projection of all the figure and find the true shape. Okay, so that is the problem. So as per the procedure, we have to first assume there is projection. Okay, so A here A dash B dash is true length. So draw x1 y1 perpendicular to it and projected view of x1 y1. First draw the projection of A dash B dash and C dash on x1 y1 from xy. Take the dimension of ABC top view. Mark this projection from x1 y1. Name point A1 B1 C1. This line view is an auxiliary top view. Draw x2 y2 parallel to this line. View and project auxiliary front view on it. From the x1 y1, take distance of A dash B dash and C dash and mark from x to y equal to on a new projection. Name the projection A1 dash B1 dash C1 dash and join them. This will be the required true shape. Now see here, start the XY line. Now 50 mm, that is its true length, represent in the horizontal plane. Now see, here is 30 degree and 65 degree. So draw the line to get the triangular shape. Okay, now our triangle is made. So the next step is here, top view parallel to the XY line, hence the other view AB, A dash B dash is get the true line. So see here, get the name ABC. Now draw the projection and see. You get the name because the distance is given here. See here, A is how much? 25, B is 40 and C is 10. So this is 10 and 25 and 40. So we get the another view of the triangle. Now what is next? Draw the projection of this triangle. Now here distance is here. Okay, so we get all the things. Now this AB has the true length, means this is actual length. Okay, now the we create the extension of A dash B dash, and now this is 90-degree. Okay, we create the extension and draw a perpendicular line from this extension AB. Now this is x1 y1. So this line is x1 y1. Okay, now draw a parallel line from C and you get the another point C1 B1, because A dash and B dash, A and B dash overlapping to each other, so we get this projection A1 B1 here and C1 here. Okay, so next thing is we have to draw the x2 y2, x2 y2. How? We just make a line from C1 which is and is particular point. Okay, so you get the difference here. This the difference. Okay, now what happened? X2 y2 on the new projection. See here, this is the our true shape. This is our true shape. So what is new here? Always for new front view, take distance from previous front view. Okay, so whatever, you just take the previous front view, so you get the true length here. So we just take the length from here. Okay, this is the main point. Always for new front view, take the distance from previous front view, and for new top view, distance of previous top view. So this is your point. Now another things that is important to hear, in this problem we have considered only the whatever the true shape is here. Okay, so we go for the next problem. See, front view and top view of a triangular plate are shown. Determine its true shape. Okay, so here the top view and the front view is given here. top view and front view is given here. So from this top view, we have to find out the true shape of the triangle. Now, what you can say, the projection is given here. So, similarly in previous question, we have to draw the true length extension here. In previous question, what happened? We draw the extension from the true length, and now you see. So that is the extension. And now next thing is make a 90-degree x1 and y1, and now from here we get the projection. See here, that is a1 dash, c1 dash and b1 dash. Now make a line here x2 y2, and this x2 y2 is the 45 degree from here, and make a line from c1 c2 c3 and mark these distance here. So we get our true shape here. So for a proper may create some problem, which problem we have discussed in previous lecture. What happened there? We just follow the steps 1, steps 2, step 3. Okay, but here we can make a copy of xy line so that there is lesser view. Okay, there in previous step we have to draw the 6 view, 3 top view and 3 front view, but here we can draw. So this is reduce the number of views, but in this method there is some technicality difficult in previous question. In previous example, from the previous examples, so we can say that whatever method you adopt, you just concentrate on that. Okay, and we can say, see previous slide here, you have to take the screenshot of this. So this is the main step by which you follow and solve this type of problem. So I just forward to next question. Okay, now always for new front view take the distance of previous front view. That is the same things you have to remember. Now the next question you have see here. The next question is here. Front view and top view both are cycles of 50 mm diameter. Okay. Determine the true shape of an electrical sorry elliptical plate. So the original shape is elliptical, but the front view and top view is the 50 diameter circle. So here adopt same procedure. AC is considered as line parallel to XY line. Then AC become true length for the purpose. Using the steps properly, true shape can be easily determined. Now see, this is your top view, this is your front view. Sorry, this is your top view, this is your front view. And now you determine the AC is the true length. So we can extend this line AC, okay, to get the x1 line, x2 line. So this is the perpendicular. Now what happened? We just assume the point D, C and B. So this is your point. Now see there B1, A1, C1 and D1 because AC overlapping here. So we get a inclined line here. Okay. Now how we get the x2, y2? We just get the x2, y2 here which is parallel to this. Now we get the projection of this. Okay. Here. At the final shape of the circle which is elliptical. See, this is the true shape. Okay, so from the true shape you also get the same things. But what is the same things is here? You just have in this problem the your main motto is that you first find out the x1 y1 which is perpendicular to true length and x2 y2 which is parallel to the which is parallel to the your second top view which is parallel to your second top view. Okay, now so this is the same things but in written in white, so I just change the color so you can easily read it. Okay, so remember the things is same. Always from new front view take the distance from the previous front view and from new top view distance from the previous top view. Why always each and every question I write this? Because you memorize it. You memorize it. So you can better understand what is the problem and how you going to solve this. Now see the next problem. Draw a regular pentagon. Okay, the pentagon problem is here. 30 side with one side 30-degree inclined to XY line. This figure is top view of the plane. Okay, those Front view is aligned 45 inclined to the XY line. So all things is given here. So what you have to remember? So see here, first step XY line, and next step is we have to draw the 30-degree incline and make a pentagon here. So ED is 30-degree inclined to the XY line. Now we draw the projection, and what happen here? We just make a 45-degree angle from here and draw the extension of that, and we get different point here: A dash, D dash, E dash, C dash, and D dash here. Okay, like this, because what it say, top view. Those front view is aligned. Front view is aligned. Okay, that front view is aligned. So this is aligned, which is 45-degree inclined to XY line. So this is 45-degree inclined to the XY line. Okay. Now what is next? The X1, X2 here, we just draw some distance away from the this line, this projection line, and now make the inclination and make choose the distance and DE. So just mark the point and mark the pentagon. Okay. So this is your true shape. So here we can just easily draw the true shape, because here the top view is given, which is a line. In the previous question, if we see, so top front view is not a line. So to get a see here, this is front view is not aligned. So from getting aligned, we need to x1 y1, and for getting the true shape we get another projection of xy line, that is x2 y2. Okay, so that is the difference between previous question and in this question. So see, once again, draw the projection and draw 45-degree angle line, mark the points here, draw a parallel line to this line, which is x1 y1, and draw the projection, make the distance. Okay, so you get the points here. That is true shape, and the notes remember is same. You get the distance from the previous. So here you can say this is A. So from AB, so this distance and this distance is same. BE, so where is VE? V is not, V is not a line. So V is not a side, so we don't consider this. What is the line here? The line is B and C. So the distance is B and C here. You choose this distance. And next is C and D. So this distance is here. So you just make this distance and find out the solution. Okay, so the next problem is, see here, this is again we repeat this simple problem. So those student is absent, they can easily understand this problem. So this is the simple problem again. Rectangle 30 mm and 50 mm side is resting on the HP. Okay. One small side which is 30° inclined to the VP, while the surface of plane make 45° inclination. So this problem previously we can attempt, but you can revise this. See, what is the you? Okay, you just make a rough diagram of this problem. Make a rough diagram of this problem and share your image with me. Yes, how many students? Okay, you have you have 10 minutes to solve a rough diagram for this problem. Okay, you just start and this is easy problem. To in this problem, surface is inclined from which plane? HP. Assumption for initial position. Assumption for initial position. The rectangle is parallel to the HP. So which view will give you true shape? Top view give you true shape. And which side will be vertical? Those side is vertical, that is inclined. So small side is vertical to the XY line. See here, that is the image. The small side is vertical to the XY line. Okay. Now draw the projections and you get the front view. That is AB dash and this is DC dash. Okay. So you get the things. Now what happened? 45° inclination we need. 45° inclination we need. So we have to draw the 45° inclination here. See, this is the 45° surface inclination. Now draw the projection. See here, this is the projection. Okay, because you get the things. So you just make this line to 45° inclined from here. Now next thing, we have to draw the projection, vertical projection from here. Okay, sorry students, due to the some technical problem, the disturbance is here. That's why I disconnected so many times. Sorry for that. So time is over for today lecture. So we can continue these things in the next lecture. So that is end for the today lecture. So you can leave the classroom and join your next lecture. Thank you. You may leave.
Thank you, sir.